You ever just feel like starting a business online has to mean doing the absolute most? Like, you need to create a whole course, build a fancy website, get thousands of followers just to make a dollar. Yeah, that was me too, until I learned a better way. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through how I built my, uh, not just my first, but a lot of digital income streams using PLR and MRR without creating a single product from scratch. So, if you've been wanting to start something soft, simple, and profitable, you're definitely in the right place. So let me take you back. I have been trying everything online. Okay. I've done it all. I mean, yes, it all. I was really burnt out on trying to build a brand before making the money. I was tired of all this tech, all the choices, the overthinking, and honestly, the waiting to really make that income that I know I was designed to make, that I know that I can do it. Here's why I know it, because I've seen it. I've seen so many women do it. I've even done it, even in the other side hustle things that I was doing. But to this magnitude, even when I was doing it before, it was a lot. Okay, it was a lot I had to do, especially with creating your own things and building the system and all of it. It was a lot for you, girl. So I understand. But when I was seeing women like me do this with ease, I was like, yeah, girl, I want to do that. All I really wanted was a way to earn online, like in a soft way. Okay. No pressure, no burnout, no creating it all yourself first. So when I came across the concept of reselling private label rights and master resale right digital products, I was like, wait, what? What? I've heard these terms before. Even when I was in the speaking, creating my own things era that I was in, I've heard these terms before, but not like this. Not how I was seeing it. I was like, hold on. It made me take a second look. Like, wow. Like when I seen a woman I found here on YouTube, and she made over $100,000 in a year, and from selling master resale rights, not just course, but she created a whole brand around it that made it so soft. I was like, that's why I'm like, look, team master resale rights, team private label rights, because we get to do this with ease, and I want easy. Okay. So I was like, listen, you telling me I can sell a product that's already created, already proven, and keep 100% of the profit? I was sold. I was sold. But the real shift didn't happen until I realized this wasn't just a shortcut. Like, this was a strategy, and it changed everything for me. I love it. Like, I love how you can take something that someone already built, that's proven, that's selling, people are buying, and build my brand around that. How you think I come up with his soft life business brand, soft life CEO, right? Of course it was something that God just was like, look, run with this, right? But you have the vehicle to do that. Nothing is more softer than making money online, selling what somebody else has already built. They did the hard part. All you got to do, all I really do, to be honest with you, is get better at selling, get better at marketing, show up on my platform in a prolific way. I have the energy to do that, the energy to show up every day, because the hard part was already done for me. All I had to do was plug in, make it my own, add my oomph to it. So yeah. So let me give you the steps, girl, okay, to help you to get started. And I'm going to break it down for you step by step using what I call my soft life start path, okay? This is the exact process I followed to build my first, not just my first, but I want to help you to build your first income stream, okay? This is what I did. Step one, I defined what soft life meant for me. So you need to define your soft life before you pick a product or even post content, you need the picture. You design the picture. So what does peace look like for you? For me, it was freedom to create content like this, rest when I want it, build income from home without stress. Okay. Just take 10 minutes today and ask yourself, what do I want my days to feel like? Your soft life starts up here first. Okay. It starts with your mind first. Step 2, you're going to invest in a ready to sell digital product. This is where it gets real. I didn't build a course from scratch. I invested in a done for you product with PLR / master resale rights. Okay. And one that pays me really good, $599 per sale. 2 sales over $1,000 a day. Okay. It came with the product, the sales page, the system. All I had to do was plug in, promote, and profit. And girl, you don't need to know all the tech. You just need the right tools and the right support. Trust me on that. Step number 3, you got to be the product. Okay. This is where a lot of people miss it. You can't just grab a digital product and expect magic to happen. You need to study what you sell. You need to use it, learn it, get obsessed with it. When I sold my first PLR product, I had already gone through it myself. That's why I could speak about it with confidence. Confidence is what converts every single time. You think people just buy my digital product just to buy it? No. People are buying into my confidence because they know they can hear and know what I'm selling. I know what I'm talking about because I dive into it. Not just once, but has become a practice for me. Every week, I set aside time to dive into not just office hours. I'm showing up on office hours every single week, but I also dive into it to learn. Okay. I learn it so I can implement it for my own business. And later on, I get paid more money when I teach it and when I do services or provide services for other women. Step 4, you got to choose one platform and be prolific. Now, I'll teach you how to repurpose in other platforms later, but choose one. I choose YouTube. You can choose whatever works best for you, but pick one, then go all in. Post every day. Share what you're learning, living, and earning. Your content is the bridge. Okay. That's how people find you, trust you, and buy from you. Okay. And here's the best part. You don't need a big audience to make money. You just need a consistent message. And trust me, your audience is going to grow with you. And the last step was step number 5. You got to stay plugged in. Okay. I wouldn't have made it this far without mentorship and community. Every Tuesday, I'm on Zoom with my mentor. Even when I don't have questions, I'm there because growth happens in proximity. Period. Okay. Period, poo. Okay. So if you've been trying to do this by yourself, let this be your sign to plug in and stay in the room. Don't buy and then run away. I see a lot of women do this. They buy and then all of a sudden it's like they just scatter. You're never going to grow that way. Okay. You're not going to make the money that you want to make that way. Run to the community. Run to, even when I don't make sales, okay? Even if I'm having a week where I make little to no sales, okay? I don't have a week where I don't make any sales now. I did when I first started because I was building my platform, okay? So you're going to have that. But now I'm in this mode where I know even this morning I woke up to sales. And I make sales, not just in my, not just selling my business, not, selling my $5.99 digital product. I make sales with affiliate income. I make sales in other avenues where I have money working for me. I make sales in different ways, creating content for brands. I'm doing that, but why? Why, right? I built that foundation. Okay. I plug in. I show up consistently every single day as if it was my job. Just like you show up at 9 to 5 every day or every Monday through Friday. You have to treat your business the same. You're ready to stop chasing that complicated and finally set up your own soft life business. I put together a free guide for you, okay? It's going to help you to do it fast. And I call it my Start Your Own Soft Life Business Master Guide. And it's not just a guide, okay? It's a full income opportunity. I'm handing you your first digital product, okay? Inside, I'm going to show you how to set up your own ready to sell digital product. I'm going to give you the system that you can use that's absolutely for free, that you can start earning your sales and then give you the opportunity to earn $599 sales as well, and how to resell the guide yourself for 100% profits. So I want you to go grab it below. Get your system set up. And let's start building your soft life, okay? Without starting from scratch. Who does that? We're not doing that in 2025. No. We want to leverage what's working, honey, because, girl, it gets to be peaceful, okay? And it gets to be so profitable, all while you are living life, being at home, whatever your soft life looks like, okay? So I want you to like this video. Go ahead and subscribe if you're building your soft life business, and drop in the comments if you're grabbing that guide, okay? We're going to normalize simple businesses here, okay? And consistent income, because we're creating a new normal over here. Yes, we are. And also there's a hype button. Go ahead and hype your girl up as well, so we can get this out to as many soft life girlies as possible, okay? All right, girl, go get the guide and come back. Let me know that you got it so we can, watch the video too. I included the video, help you to set up your first income stream. I got your back, okay? So I'll see you in the next video, girl. All right? Bye.